Fredy. Hello guys. Hello my beautiful people. How you guys doing? Wow, guys, I have another new episode for today. Do you know what, guys? Oh my God, I came here today. Oh, I came here today just to show you the way, the way my hubby is enjoying all alone. Do you know the reasons why? This is my hubby house for now because he came to another state to work while I am working in another state. Today, I came to visit my hubby in his own state where he's working. Guess what? Tata, this is the apartment that I find him with. With this apartment, with this apartment that is living, while me in another state, I am living in a shared apartment. No problem. So I decided to be his side chick. I be side chick for the one when I date, so I'm not his wife. I'm not his wife for these 2 days that I'm going to spend with him because I will be going back. My work is waiting for me. So I find him with this beautiful and nice location with nice apartment. I said, wow. When I came into this apartment from the beginning, I said, oh my God. I said, no, I need to upgrade. My brain, my ladies, my brain just told me that I need to upgrade. I don't need to be his wife for this moment. I need to be his side chick. First of all, what I asked him to do for me, I asked him to take me out. First of all, to fix my hair lashes. So he take me out to fix my hair lash. Then I said, I need to fix my nails. Then he take me out to fix my nails. I said, another one, because me, I don't want to be wifey for now, need to be hold on. Then side chick, that is who I am now. I feel good. I feel good. If you know what is better for you, my ladies, you don't need to be always nagging. When you see that your husband is on another state for work, he travel for a trip, when you want to go and see him for that trip, you have to go and visit him, what you will do, leave wifey for house. Come to him with the other state that he is to come and be his side chick. Don't be his wife for that moment, guys. No. So I told him to take me out for shopping. Although in this city, I didn't find anything that I love so much. There is nothing. So I just picked some things. Just shoes. I was looking for clothes. I didn't see anyone. So I just picked this one. This one, is for work. So I bought this to go to work. So I will be using it to pose, because it's very soft inside. It's good to work because I have one of these shoes already. But I decided to pick another one so that I will be using it for exchange. Then 2, I bought this. This is summer slippers that I just need. Is a pants slippers that I just need to be using to walk around. Maybe when I'm going out for maybe just for a normal walk and everything. So I just bought this and I picked this for his name. Not be wifey or if you travel go see your husband, be his side chick. So the next one, I picked this maybe when I'm going out for a dinner because I don't need to use too much of high heel. Because for now, I just need something that will be okay for my legs because I'm working in a big company that I trek every day, every minute and every second. So my leg is paining me. So I don't need high heel for for this moment. I just need something that will suit me. So guys, let's move. And I pick another one too. I just put it on. Another one. I'm hearing it. I'm not his wife for this week. For these 2 days, I'm a side chick. So you don't need to be nagging. When you want to enjoy your husband, when you want to see, you want to go and visit your husband in another state, when you know that leave wifey for house, then come and be side chick. Let me take you around this beautiful and amazing apartment. Let's go, guys. All around. Okay, we gotta move on. We gotta go. Yeah. I don't need to add the television to it because of my YouTube. So let's go. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's just a little apartment and a tiny table. All right, let's move on to the step. This is how the apartment is. My shoes is there, waiting and looking at me. Okay, guys, let's move and climb this step one after the other. Let's go. Let's go and let's go to this beautiful and nice location. This is the bedroom. Yeah, this is the location and this is the bedroom. Yeah, women with their wahala now, you know that. I left my bag all over the places. Yes. Okay, now let me show you all around. This is the wardrobe. Okay, let me take you to the bedroom. Okay, guys. Now side chick is having his shower. I'm having my shower here, guys. So I just want to say thank you to all of you that is watching my video. This is a new episode of not being a wife when you go to another state to visit your husband. Being a side chick, you will be able to enjoy from it and profit for it. You don't need to be nagging every time that you are with your husband. You need to make him comfortable and feel at home with you. The same that your husband is going to do for you. So thank you, guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. Bye. Have a wonderful day.
Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I am a side chick. I am not a wifey.